Hi Ashley, this is a video demo for your concern on the IEG using your iOS device. So I'm going to show you a video demo. We are using an iPhone XR here. So let me demonstrate to you. Just a sec. So I am using here an iPhone XR. The OS version is 12 here. So let me show you when I'm sharing to Instagram. From the mobile app, it is working. So let's check first the Instagram. On the Instagram, I am logged in here. So I'm going to access the mobile app and let's share here. So let's log in here. So let's select a category for the lifestyle, and then let's select a random here. So example, let's share this. So it was copied and it will pop up. So copy to Instagram, and then it will show me on this. So let me click the feed here. Then it's asking me to edit, but this is good. I'm going to click this next, and then let's add a caption: text test post Insta iOS. So let's click OK and let's click share. Okay, so it is posting now, and it was posted already. So I've checked my Instagram here. This is the test earlier that I did. So let's refresh this. This is on Instagram. So this is the one I've shared, newly shared here. So this is working on our device. Maybe request what's the make and model of your device and also the version of your iOS. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.